Hey, how's it going? So this is a quick video to help you set up these clothes for your Metahuman. So let's get started. So here we are in the Metahuman Creator app, and the clothes you get from this pack only work with one body type. This is important. It only works with the tall, normal body type. So how do you get your Metahuman to the right body type? It's pretty simple. You go to proportion, under body. Don't get confused, this is all German, but I will translate it from you. Body, proportion, and select this body type. Forgot to mention, you have to select tall up here. This body type, that's the one you're looking for. Additionally, I would suggest you also pick the clothes that match the set. So we have a long sleeve button shirt. I would suggest you select a long sleeve shirt. Doesn't really matter which one. I selected this button shirt. And we have some long pants, so I just picked this jogger because they're pretty skin tight. It's important to pick those because the Metahuman creation app, they will generate a mask for you. So you don't get the skin shining through the clothes when you have sudden movements or so. So select this shirt, those pants, and those types of shoes. You can copy my setup. As for the female characters, same thing. Body, proportion, the tall model. Tall. This body type. And yeah, just pick those clothes just like that. Shirt, some short pants, and some sneakers. So back in this project, we need to add the metahumans to our project. To do so, we click on this green plus here, add, go to Quixel content, hit this icon. First we need to sign in, hit this icon and import our metahuman that we created from the Metahuman creation app. Click on it, add, and it will start importing the metahumans. So after we imported the metahumans into our project and restarted this whole thing, we'll have now a metahuman folder. Click on that, select our character, this is the female one, and open the blueprint class because we need to fix something first. Open it up and you'll see 4 arrows here. Click on it and we need to replace the skeletal mesh. To do so, we drag from face, type in get skeletal mesh asset, bottom one, and combine it with the input object here. We can delete this one. Then we need to replace this one as well. Click on it, drag from skeletal mesh component, get skeletal mesh asset, just like before, connect it with the object here and the target there, delete it, compile, and the arrows should be gone. So here we have the male tall normal body. Wait, let me change the lot setting to 1 so it forces equality and we can keep the hair and don't have this annoying flickering of the quality. We need to add a slot for this body type because the button shirt has a separate shirt, undershirt, that needs a slot here. So I'm going to teach you how to do that really quick. It's pretty easy. So we're going into the construction script here and just copy paste this enable master pose. Copy paste it and connect it. Now we are going to add a slot. To do so, we click on add, type in skeletal mesh, or you can select it from here, and call it shirt. Now we need to drag it under the body. So now it's under the body, we drag it again, but now into the construction script. So we get the get shirt. Just like the components here, we connect the shirt one with the skeletal mesh component, hit compile and save. So now we can start clothing our metahuman. So to do so, gonna select the torso and change the shirt with the ones you get from this pack. So we click here, Streetwear, clothing pack, clothes. This is a male tall normal body. So we're gonna select MTN, go to meshes, and there are the clothes, the outfit that you will get from this pack. So click it one time and hit the arrow here, so it will replace it. So now you got the mesh in its place, but we still need to replace the material, because it's it still has the original material from the previous shirt. It's pretty simple. We just need to hit this reset to property to its default value arrow, and you will get a pre-made material that you can change later on. I'll get to that at one point. So now we need to dress them some more. We need to remove those joggers. So just like before, select the pants, replace it, hit the arrow here, and you're good to go. Go back to shoes, I'm gonna change his shoes. And now the new slot comes into place, because feel like he needed an undershirt. So I made one real quick, and that's how you can add it here. So now he has a nice shirt under his button shirt. So let's talk about the materials, because some of them are changeable, some of them aren't. For the female tall normal version, you can change the color of the shirt, as well as the color of the logo. To do so, click the shirt, open this material. If you want to change the color of the clothes, you can go to the vector parameters here. There are only two selected, so only those two works. The first one is for the logo, so you can change the color to blue, for example. Green. Hit OK to save it. And the custom color B is for the shirt itself. I'm sure you find the color that you like there. So when it comes down to the pants and shoes, you'll get 3 pre-made materials already to use. You can see them right here. You have black, some a little bit darker blue, and brighter blue, brighter jean style blue. And a lot of shoe variations, from red to black, white, and all the colors you're seeing here right now. If you want to change your metahuman to one of the certain sets, if you want to change the color for pants, for example, to go along with the green shirt, all you need to do is click your metahuman. Let me extract that. Go to legs. There you have the skeletal mesh and the material. Click on this folder, and there you have the 3 materials that you can choose from. For example, if you want the black one, we click on it once, go back to the menu, click our metahuman, back to the legs, and just hit this arrow. So it will use the selected item on it. Now we're gonna change the shoes, so it will become green. I guess I have a green one. There's a green one. So let's change the color of the shoes to green. Again, hit the folder down there, and there you see the green material. Click on it and hit the arrow again, and you got green shoes for your metahuman. When it comes down to the male tall normal, You'll also have a color variation for the shirt. It's the same thing. Just need to hit the shirt, go to this folder, open it, and there we have one selected custom color that we can change. So there you see it. Oh, it's pretty bright. A little bit darker. So you can change the color in here for this shirt. When it comes down to the button shirt, you can select one of these colors for your Metahuman. So exactly the same, click on it, hit the folder here, and there you can select one of the colors that you want to have on your button shirt. Forgot to do it. Let's change the color to blue. Select light blue. Go to the torso and hit this arrow. There you have the light blue variation. I think I don't need to explain how to change the color for the pants and the shoes. I just gonna show you them up close so you can get the gist of the clothes that you will get. So that's it for this video. I really hope you do enjoy the clothes you get from this pack. Thank you for checking it out in the first place. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you want me to do next. Because I always want to do some more clothes for the Metahumans, because yeah, aren't a lot of clothes out there on the marketplace, and I want to provide you with some clothes for your Metahumans. So yeah, again, leave some suggestions in the comments, and I hope you'll see each other, hear each other in the future. Bye.